Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn what is terminal and doing some basic commands in terminal. So in previous video I show you Linux versus Windows. What is the difference between Linux versus Windows? And in this video we are going to learn what is terminal and some basic commands we will do in the terminal. Okay, so let's start and keep subscribe and share my channel. Now we open a Linux machine on my PC. So this is the Linux machine which is CentOS. This is the username and I put it password to unlock. This is the desktop view of a Linux machine, and we discussed about what is terminal. Terminal is a tool to give input from keyboard to OS. Okay, and then lots of option to open a terminal in a Linux machine, like you just right click and open in terminal. This is the terminal. I already said that what the meaning of this text. I explain again what the meaning of this text. Go into the paint, take a snap of this text and paste it into paint. Here I am showing what is the meaning of this text. This is the user. Here I am saying this is the user. And at the rate used for in which machine we are doing work. Localhost is a machine name or host name. This is the machine name or the host name. And after this, desktop is a directory name. In previous video I show you the directory of Linux system. Directory, and $sign is so that you are login from a normal user. You are logged in from normal user. Okay, if there is hash sign, that means you are login from root user. Okay, I have prepared already a document on Linux basics, so I show you. Please look it. As per the document, Linux shell or terminal. So basically a shell is a program that receives command from the user and give it to the OS to process. User gives command from keyboard. Users give input via keyboard to OS to process. It shows the output. Linux shell is its main part. Linux terminal is a master tool of Linux machine, Linux has a CLI interface. Okay, so we show what is the CLI interface in Linux machine. Here I am in Linux machine, login, and there is many way to open the terminal in Linux machine. If you have physically Linux machine on your system, so first first way is that go to application, system tools, and then terminal. It shows I am a normal user and this is my machine name, sorry, this is my username and this is the machine name or host name. So first command is that, as per my document, pwd. Pwd means print working directory. So where I am in root under home slash akshay. This is my directory where I am on terminal. Okay, pwd I already type in this. Pwd means print working directory. Print working directory, and I'm showing you some basic tools of terminal, how we can open, execute and exit from terminal. So let's show in the document. These are the some basic shortcut of terminal, so we can use in our Linux machine. First, let's check first you can open terminal via this command, control and T. So simply pressing these three keys, open terminal, try to open, control alt and T. Okay, I think it's working on Ubuntu machine. So we resume also the Ubuntu machine. After the restoring, this command is on Ubuntu machine, and we also open via alt plus F2 and type there genome terminal. Genome terminal. This is the second way to open the terminal, and this is the first way to open terminal, and this is the third way to open a terminal. Okay, if you want to, we already done this command. If you want to exit from the terminal, simply press Ctrl D small. So we do it. If I input exit, it's close the terminal, and here I am pressing Ctrl D, it's already closed, and here I again press exit, it exists. The third command is that alt plus F10 to maximize the terminal. Yes, we can do alt plus F10, alt plus F10 to minimize the terminal or maximize the terminal. Okay, and fifth command is that alt plus F5 to minimize the terminal. You can also done by it Alt plus F5 or F10. Okay, both are working. And Control Shift plus plus to increase the font size of terminal. Let's check. I am type PWD. Okay, I want to increase the size of terminal. Control Alt plus plus. Yes, it's working. Okay, for minimize the size of terminal, Control Shift minus minus. To minimize the size of terminal, you need to press Control minus minus. Okay, so after doing the shortcut of terminal, we learn some basic commands in Linux, like pwd is print working directory. I am here on desktop directory. You can check. First command is in terminal, that is ls for listing. Ls is used for listing. If there is no output, that means desktop directory is empty. Okay, desktop directory is empty. If I make a directory, then I type a command mkdir and the directory name test. You see a directory created after this command. Okay, if again I am typing ls, it shows the test directory is available in desktop. Yes, desktop and text directory here. Okay, if I want to go in test directory, then we execute cd command. Cd for change directory, cd and the directory name test. We go in test directory. We are here in test directory. Again I have to show in which directory we have pwd, then home, akshay and desktop, and in desktop there is a text directory. In text directory we have show some, there is some files or not. Type ls for listing. Okay, I type here ls for listing. Okay, and cd for change directory. Change directory and mkdir make directory, make a directory or folder. Okay, directory and folder are the same thing. Okay, in I'm showing how the Linux is more advanced than Windows. If in Windows I need to create a folder, need to follow some steps like right click and then new and then folder and then type the folder name and then make the folder. In Linux I just execute some basic command, some command like I just execute some basic command mkdir folder, sorry, test1, folder name is test1. You can check a folder is created via a single command. If I want to create 10 folder, 20 folder, I can do in within second. mkdir folder 1 name, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, and you can make all folder. If I execute, already test 1 is already available, so test 1 is not created. You can check the command line. mkdir cannot create directory, test 1 file already exists. You can check test 1 is already exist, so he cannot create it again. So again I have typed ls in my terminal, ls for test, ls for listing the directory. So you can, so the test directory is here. Total number of test directory is 1 2 3 4 5 directory. If I want to go any in directory, cd test 1. Okay, I am in test 1 directory is there. Okay, and if I go back one step directory, then type cd space dot dot. cd space dot dot means you go one step back in directory. Here I am in test 1 directory. After typing cd dot dot, I am here in my previous directory. Okay, if here I am type cd dot dot, then my previous directory is my home directory. Yes, you can show that sign means it's a home directory of my user, and ls there is folders of users. There is some folder of my home user, desktop, document, download, music, pictures, public, templates, videos. I am showing you in this is my home directory, so I am showing you in. You can see same folders, and you can see here are the same. Okay, if I make a directory in my home, let's check mkdir folder name or directory name is home1. Check, home1 is created via terminal. If I want to delete rm-rf home1, home1 is deleted. You can simply check the difference between the advanced level of Linux. So here I am go in. First I show my directory from ls. I need to go in downloads. I have downloading some files in my download folder. I want to check. You can simply go through ls command. ls for listing, cd for go in folder name. You simply press the tab button to complete the command or to complete the folder name. I just simply press the tab button and it's automatically complete the folder name, which is matched to according to the text. cd space downloads, it means I want to change directory to downloads. Okay, so here I can if you want to make a file in this directory, you can use the touch command. Touch and file name. I 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the file name. Okay, so after enter, 9 file is created in download directory. 9 files in same time created in download directory. You can check via listing ls 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and I can check from my GUI panel. Go go into the download, and here is the 9 files I created. I deleted from here. Okay, and then check again in terminal ls. There is no files. Again I created 9 10 11 12 13. Here is the files coming. Okay, so Linux is more advanced than Windows. Okay, I am typing the command which we have learned in this video. Make files in directory cd dot dot is for change directory one step back. One, two, three, four, five, 6. If I want to check my history, then type history command. What command I executed in previous, uh, I can see via history command. Just here I am typing the history. This command I executed in this video. Okay, to show command history. Okay, so these are the basic command, or yeah, in this command we will learn in next video. Okay, this is the system command, administrative task to reboot the system. You can try in your own system and comment me below how it's working or not. I am here to help you. So thank you for watching this channel. Thanks for watching this video, and keep subscribe and share. Thank you all.